5 ways to get rid of visceral fat. Visceral fat, also known as abdominal fat or intra-abdominal fat, is a type of fat that forms deep within the abdominal cavity, surrounding vital organs such as the liver, pancreas, and intestines. Excess visceral fat is linked to an increased risk of health issues, including type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and metabolic syndrome. It is regarded as very dangerous because it releases inflammatory substances into the bloodstream, reducing insulin sensitivity and promoting systemic inflammation. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle that includes proper nutrition, regular exercise, stress management, and adequate sleep can help reduce visceral fat and reduce the risk of related health problems. In my book, The Fountain of Youth Lifestyle, I cover everything in this message and more, but here are 5 ways to lose visceral fat. 1. Healthy meal plan. Focus on balanced nutrition rich in whole foods, such as fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains. Limit processed foods, sugary beverages, and high-fat foods. Choose sources of healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and seeds, and opt for protein sources like black beans, chickpeas, lentils, and other legumes. 2. Regular exercise. Incorporate both aerobic exercise and strength training into your routine. Aerobic activities like walking, running, cycling, or swimming help burn calories and reduce overall body fat, including visceral fat. Strength training exercises build muscle mass, which can increase metabolism and promote fat loss. 3. Manage stress. Chronic stress can contribute to the accumulation of visceral fat. Practice stress-reducing techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, walking, or spending time in nature. Prioritize relaxation and self-care to help lower cortisol levels and combat stress-related weight gain. 4. Adequate sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep per night. Poor sleep habits disrupt hormonal balance, leading to increased appetite, cravings for unhealthy foods, and weight gain, including visceral fat. Establish a regular sleep schedule and create a relaxing bedtime routine to improve sleep quality. 5. Limit alcohol consumption. Excessive alcohol intake can contribute to the accumulation of visceral fat. While moderate alcohol consumption may not be as harmful, excessive drinking can lead to weight gain and abdominal obesity. Limit alcohol intake to moderate levels or consider eliminating it altogether to support weight loss goals. Adding these lifestyle changes to your daily routine can help you lose visceral fat and improve your overall health. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your nutrition or exercise routine, especially if you have any underlying health issues. Please like, share, follow, and subscribe. Until next time, take care. LHLclub.com